Our most important objective is to have satisfied customers. And for this, we take care of our complete product portfolio in lab instruments, which are lab balances, lab water systems and pipettes, and also complex bioanalytical instruments. Especially in the area of bioanalytic instruments, we are constantly expanding our portfolio.
My main responsibilities as a field service engineer within Sartorius on the bioanalytics portfolio is to service, maintain, repair or install all of the bioanalytical equipment. Bioanalytics is quite a broad subject, but the main purpose is to provide analytical data that our customers use in the early stages of drug discovery or medical research. For me, I really enjoy the technical aspect of the role. The machines that are in the BioWay portfolio have a lot of technicalities and complexity that has been put into them. So as an engineer, you're always learning new things. I also really enjoy the customer-facing side of the role, communicating with our customers and having an understanding of what they are trying to achieve with the instrument. I've always found very interesting, and it's nice to know the work that we are doing has a good purpose behind it.
Our main objective in service is to support our customers in the pharmaceutical industry, which means after the team has performed the installation and qualification of the systems, we are taking care about the product process security of their production by minimizing the downtimes.
My main tasks and responsibilities in the service department are to perform the annual and preventive maintenance at the customer side, take care of repairs, help with order estimates or technical questions, and if possible, find a solution to any problem that might occur. I work in services because I like being on the road and appreciate customer contact. You see a lot of new things like different companies and how they handle their media to produce medicines and get to know new people. You can constantly take part in our technical training courses and learn some new functions. The variety of systems is enormous and so is the know-how. In our own in-house training sessions with specially trained trainers, you can exchange with colleagues and benefit from their knowledge.
I would say Sartorius is a fantastic company to work for. The opportunities are endless due to the size and the broadness of the company. There are many different divisions and departments that you can transition to if you wish to progress your career further.